Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use back tap feature on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, you will see second option is accessibility. So click on accessibility. Now here click on touch. Now here scroll down to end, click on back tap. Now here you will select double tap and triple tap, so I will select double tap. So select feature from here, any feature. So I will select screenshot. So after the process, go back to home screen. So refresh phone, and if you want to test, so click on Apple logo. You will see it's work properly. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use back tap feature on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.